Hey, I'm Kathy Miller with the Morrissey team at RETSY, here at our new listing at 11036 North 50th Place. Come on inside and let's take a look. The functional floor plan leaves you with endless options featuring a large living, dining, and family room. Bamboo flooring throws throughout the house. The kitchen is light and bright with white shaker cabinets, a custom oversized porter wood island, and chic pendant lighting. The family room features a wood-burning fireplace and views to the backyard. The primary suite is spacious with a private entrance to the backyard through French doors and a custom closet. The guest bedrooms are ample size with an upgraded guest bath. The stunning mountain views capture you the second you walk into the backyard. A PebbleTech pool and spa, grass turf, and a mature sahuaro cactus are other highlights in the backyard. Thanks for taking a look at my listing today. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to email me at desertluxurybyKathy.com.